Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Java 8 features, functional interface, higher order functions, and Lambda expressions. Here we need to discuss these three together. Okay, these three together: functional interface, higher order functions, and Lambda expressions. So first, let me discuss functional interface. So what is functional interface? See, functional interface is an interface that contains only one abstract method. Okay. So here functional interface must and should contain only one abstract method. Okay. So from Java 1.8 onwards, interfaces are extended to allow static and default methods also. Right. You can write any number of default and static methods in functional interface, but you should write only one. Okay, you should write only one abstract method in the functional interface. If you write more than one interface, sorry, more than one abstract method in functional interface, then it is not called as functional interface. Why? Because functional interface should have only one abstract method. And apart from that one abstract method, you can write any number of default and static methods. Okay, that is depends on you. Okay, that is depends on you. Okay, see here, lambda expressions can be used to represent the instance of functional interface. Okay, so here functional interface a reference variable is there, no? So what the reference variable we can also call instance, right? So here functional interface instance we can represent by using what lambda expression. Okay, so I will discuss that lambda expression also. So first let me discuss programmatically this lambda expression. Sorry, functional interface. See here, I'm going to take new project. Project name is Java 8 features. Next, finish. Yeah. Now see here, here new class functional test. Functional test. Finish. Okay. See here, what I'm doing is here I'm going to declare an interface. Okay. Fun interface. Fun interface. Now, fun interface. Here in this fun interface, what I'm doing is I'm going to declare public, sorry, public void method, public abstract void method. Okay, so one abstract method I have taken, only one abstract method. Okay, so this is called functional interface. Okay, functional interface. Now see here we have one more point here. See, from Java 8 onwards, lambda expressions can be used to represent the instance of functional interface. See, here you have this method, right? You have this method. So this method you can implement as lambda expression. Okay, you can implement as lambda expression. Okay, I'll tell you how to implement that. I'll tell you. Okay, here see functional interface what instance. See the instance of functional interface. Okay, here lambda expression can be used to represent instance of functional interface. Okay, how to represent? See, fun interface. See, sorry, fun interface, right? Fun interface. Here obj is equal to. Now here this method is there. No, this method you can implement as what lambda expression. Okay, see here simply here you no need to write what method name here. Okay, you no need to write method name here. Why? Because lambda expression is anonymous function. See here simply. Okay, simply you can write sys out something. That's it. Sys out. Sys out. Sorry. Sys out. Hi. Sys out. Hi. That's it. So like this. Okay. Like this you can implement what lambda expression. See obj dot method. Obj dot method. Like this you can implement what lambda expression. See here functional obj is equal to, here I'm writing lambda expression. Okay, lambda expression. Okay, okay, for what this functional interface object, functional interface instance. So like this you can assume. Okay, see what is lambda expression. See here lambda expression is a short block of code which takes in parameters, return a value. See here, taking parameters and returning value depends on, okay, how you define the lambda expression. Okay, so every time you no need to take parameter, every time you no need to return value. Okay, so in this case, here there is no return value and there is no what parameters, right? So I'll take another example. Okay, by that you can easily understand. See, lambda expressions are similar to methods, but they do not uh, do not need a name, and they can be implemented right in the body of a method. Okay, right in the body of a method. If you want to write body, you can also write body. Okay, so let me take another example. See here method, right? So show, okay, string a comma string b, for suppose string a comma string b. Here I am taking what return type as string. Okay, string. See here now, here this in this functional interface you have abstract method. This abstract method has what abstract method has a return type string and what two parameters. Okay, now here this functional interface object, okay, you can implement it by using lambda expression. See here this show you can implement as lambda expression. See here simply take, okay, function. Okay, like this. Here you no need to mention the name of the function. Okay, here you no need to mention the name of the function. Simply, okay, take parameters. What are the parameters? Two parameters. First one is string and second one is string. Right. So here I am taking Anand, comma, Kumar. Okay. Anand, comma, Kumar. Okay. And start the body. Okay. Start the body. What happened here? Left hand side assignment must be a variable. Okay, no issues. Simply string a is equal to, okay, string a is equal to Anand, copy, paste, and here string b is equal to Kumar, Now, okay. Now simply give A comma B. Okay. A comma B. Um, Parameter to declare another variable. Okay. Uh, X, Y, and return, okay, X plus Y. Open here. So like this. A, B. Open A and B. Okay, no issues. X comma Y, and here X plus Y. So like this, you can implement the what? Okay. So like this, you can implement the lambda, this lambda expression. See here, X comma Y. Okay. Return X plus Y. So here, this show you are implementing as a lambda expression. See, take up to this. Okay. Take up to this, which accept to what are parameters X comma Y. Okay. X comma Y, and return X plus Y. Means here I am returning what by adding these two strings. So here return type also string, right? So if you add two strings, okay, its result also what a string. So like this you can implement a what a lambda expression. Okay. So this is what a functional interface and a lambda expression. Now let me take some concrete examples. Okay. Concrete examples. Let me take. Okay. So here what I'm doing is as a first step. So please observe carefully here. Okay, please observe carefully. So here I'm going to take arithmetic test. Okay, so arithmetic test I'm taking. So here what I'm doing is I want to perform some operation. Public abstract. Okay, public abstract into operation. Public abstract operation here into A comma into B. Okay, into A comma into B. So this is my what single method in the interface. Okay, functional interface. Now you can implement this operation. Okay, operation as a lambda expression. So we will see that operation later. Okay, we will see that operation later. Okay, now okay, so you can write like this, right? See here arithmetic test. Okay, is equal to here how you see here x comma y, okay, return x plus y. So like this you can replace wherever you have this obj. Okay, wherever you have this arithmetic test obj, you can replace it with what the replace it with what a lambda expression. Okay, please remember. So wherever okay this arithmetic test obj is required, you can replace that by using lambda expression. Okay, so remove this for the timing. So now what I am doing is here I'm going to take one more method, that is public static int get result. Get result here, get result here. What I'm doing is int a comma int b, or you can take int x into y comma here I'm taking arithmetic test okay 80. arithmetic test EAT as what parameters. These are the parameters sample. Okay. Now here arithmetic test EAT, right? So this is what instance of arithmetic test. Now here you can what replace this arithmetic test EAT with lambda expression. Already I discussed what in this example only. Okay. So how we will replace that by using lambda expression, we'll see later. Okay. Now what I'm doing is here AT dot operation of x comma y I am returning. Okay. Okay. I'm returning like this. See, return AT dot operation of x comma y. Why? Because here see it is asking return type as integer. See here operation also returning integer. So that's why here AT dot operation of x comma y I have written like this. Okay. Now here this operation, okay, this operation method not implemented. Right. Now you can implement this operation as anonymous function. Already I discussed. Right. Anonymous function. How to do that? Okay. How to do that? I'll show you. Okay. So here int x is equal to int m, or suppose 10 int n is equal to 20. Okay. So these are the two input values. Now what I'm doing is simply sys out. I'm calling get result here. Okay. I'm calling get result. It is returning what integer, no. So that's why I'm writing it in the system.out.println. Okay. Get result. See here get result. Here m n. Okay. M n. See here x and y. Okay. So for this x I'm passing m means 10. For this y I'm passing n. Okay. So for this y I'm passing n. Now what about this one? This 80. For this 80. Okay. For this 80 I'm passing lambda expression. Okay. For which method you need to you are writing lambda expression? For operation you are writing lambda expression. So here for this operation simply this is lambda expression, no. Now for this method you are writing lambda expression. Now it is expecting two what two inputs. What are the two inputs? Okay, so a comma b. Okay, you no need to mention here written a comma b. Okay, a comma b. Okay, now here write function what statements by using this arrow mark. Okay, by using this arrow mark. Now you tell me whatever the operation you want to perform on the a and b and return the value. Okay, and return the value simply a plus b. I want to return a plus b. Okay, a plus b simply right. See here simply return a plus b. That's it. See a comma b. Now to try to execute this, what happened? See it is returning 30. It is returning 30. And simply okay call same get result method and implement this operation. Okay, implement this operation in different way. See a into b. See 200. See 10 20 200 and implement this a uh, b minus a. Like this I want to implement. Sorry, b minus a. See 10. Like this, okay, you can implement your lambda expression in different ways. Okay, in different ways. See, here lambda expression is what? Anonymous function. Okay, lambda expression is the anonymous function. And this lambda expression, okay, you are implementing for what? Functional interface abstract method. Functional interface abstract method. See here, you are calling get result method. You are passing m and you are passing n here. Right? You are passing m and here. Now m here 10 and n here 20. Right. So now arithmetic test. Here you are passing what lambda expression here. For which method you are passing lambda expression for the operation. So now you are returning at dot operation of x comma y. Okay. Now this operation, what its implementation is here. So this will be connected to this one. Okay. This will be connected to this one. Now what it will return? A plus b 30. It here 30 will be what replaced here, and here it will be returning 30, right? So that's why get result is returning 30 at last. Okay, so this is what one example. Okay, one example of what a functional interface, sorry, functional interface and a higher order functions. Now let me discuss one more thing. Okay, so let me change uh, simply what I will do is, okay, so now I will change name of the functional interface here, uh, filter. Okay, filter. Okay, so filter here I'm changing method as public abstract boolean. Okay, public abstract boolean filter is my name. Simply I will differentiate these two. I filter filter. Okay, so filter. So here I want to filter what uh, numbers in a array. Okay, I have one array list of array elements. So in this list of array elements, I don't want to take all elements. I want to filter the elements based on my priority. For suppose I want to get only even numbers from the array. For suppose I want to filter odd numbers. I want to filter what prime numbers like that. Okay, like that I want to filter. See filter. Simply I will take number. Okay, I want to filter the numbers from the array. So this is my method. Okay, public abstract boolean filter. Okay, public abstract boolean filter. Now what I am doing is public static here void. Okay, here simply I'm changing it to display. Okay, changing it to display. Already I told I want to filter what numbers in the array, right? Numbers in the array. So that's why I'm taking it as parameter int array as parameter, and here I'm going to take I filter as parameter. I filter uh, I simply I filter I, or otherwise you can take it as filter. Okay, filter. Now how you want to filter? Okay, how you want to filter? So that filter, okay, you defined later. Why? Because here filter is what abstract method defined in the functional interface that you can implement as a lambda expression. Okay, that you can implement as a lambda expression, and that lambda expression you can pass it to the what I filter reference variable. Okay, I filter reference variable. Okay, now what I'm doing is for okay for here int okay int x colon arr okay int x colon arr here how you want to filter. If filter dot filter, okay, filter dot filter of, here I'm passing x. I want to filter what? Numbers from array. See, here I'm using for each loop to get one by one element from array, and I'm going to filter what? I'm going to apply the filter. Okay, I'm going to apply the filter on each what element. Okay, each element. I'm applying filter. So if that is satisfied, okay, whatever the condition I have written in the filter, if it is satisfied, then only I will display the what number. Okay, that's it. See here, simply I'm iterating through the array. I'm iterating through the array, and I'm applying filter on each and every variable. Sorry, each and every value in the array. Okay, if it satisfy the filter, if it satisfy the condition in the filter, then only it is going to display that variable. Okay, that's it. Okay, now, now, uh, what I'm doing is, here I'm going to take one array, integer array, int arr is equal to, int arr is equal to some values I will be taking, see, 44, 23, 21, 78, 88, 9, 55, 63. So these are the what okay, these are the values, a list of values I have in what array. Now I'm going to call display method directly. Okay, so display method. Okay, so display. Now you tell me, this display expecting, see, this display is expecting what integer array. So pass arr, comma, comma. Now what it is expecting? This filter object which is expecting. But you can pass lambda expression of this filter to this filter. Okay, to this filter. So here for this you need to pass lambda expression. Right. Okay, lambda expression. Okay, how to pass the lambda expression? Okay, simply it is expecting only one number. Okay, one number. So here take that n. Okay, colon. Now what you need to return here? What you need to return? Boolean. Okay, Boolean value you need to return for the filter. Right. So now n. Okay, so my expression is n divided by, sorry, n remainder 11 is equal to 0. Okay, so here what I'm returning, n divided by 11 is equal to 0. If my number is divided by 11, it is equal to 0. If this condition is satisfied, okay, we are returning what? True for this filter. Otherwise, what it will return? False. That's it. So here this filter I am implementing as a anonymous what? Lambda expression. Lambda expression. Okay, this lambda expression you are passing to this I filter. Okay, I filter. See now what happened? Unresolved compilation error. Where and why? Okay. Uh, why? One second. Let me check. Delete this file. Okay. Extra. Extra. Okay. See, 44, 88, and 55. Okay. Now I'm going to filter once again. Okay, I'm going to filter once again. Here my filter is changed. Okay. Now I'm changing it to number divide. The numbers which are divided by 2, I want to filter those numbers. Okay. I want those numbers. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting right. And I am filtering which are not divided by 2. Which are not divided by 2. I want to filter those numbers. Oh, what happened? And reminder 2. These are coming. Second. Let me divide it by 3 equal to 0. Okay, okay, okay. So here we are getting result of these three. Okay, these three. Why? Because here you have written printer, not println, right? So that's why. That's why. Let me do one thing here. After this for loop, let me write system dot out dot println. Then we will get better plan. Yeah. See now, which are divisible by 11. Okay. So you are getting here. And which are divisible by 2, you are getting here. And which are divisible by 3, you are getting here. And which are not divisible by 2. Previously, we have written, right? I will write uh, not equal to 0. Okay. We will get in third line. See, we will get in third line. See, 23, 21, 20, 25, 16. So like this, okay, you can implement the what lambda expressions. Okay, so what is higher order function? We are missing that one, right? So what is higher order function? Higher order function is accepting another function as parameter. Okay, another function as parameter. See here, display is what a higher order function. Why? Because here instead of I filter what we are passing lambda expression as parameter. Okay, so here higher order function is accepting what accepting this lambda expression anonymous function as parameter. So now here display is what a higher order function. See higher order function. See higher order functions are what functions that either accept other functions as arguments or return a function as a result. Okay, so here higher order functions are accepting another function as parameter. Okay, so here display is what anonymous function which will accept what a lambda expression of the what a lambda expression of the C. Here what lambda expression of this filter. Okay, lambda expression of this filter. See, now display is the anonymous function and I filter is the functional interface, and this is the lambda expression for this filter. Okay, so I have discussed two different what examples for what functional interface, higher order function, and lambda expression. Okay, so I hope this is clear for everyone. As a beginner, you can what easily understand this concept. Okay, yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my videos. Sorry, please subscribe my channel and watch my videos. So I'm trying to improve myself. So please, what comment on my videos. So if you find any difficulty or if you want me to improve in any aspect, so I will do. Okay. Thanks for watching.